Here we come to the elevator at the Texas Seaport Museum, downtown Galveston, Texas. It's a Montgomery Vector from 1990. Awesome, found another Montgomery after the one in San Antonio, too. That fan's pretty obnoxious. Indicators completely burn out. Love that chime. One, check this out. It's got the old bumpers. Anthony 020501 has recorded this before. A Montgomery Vector in Galveston. This is awesome. We're going to take this for one more ride. Let's sample the chime first. Yeah, you can't hear the motor well because of that fan. You can see the bulb through that broken lantern. Only I see is the cover, but the lantern itself is missing. Anyways, we'll do a cab view in full detail here. Just your basic Montgomery Vector elevator. The cab looks a lot exactly like an Otis Series 1. These are your fixtures, or Montgomery Vector fixtures. There's your phone. Take a picture of that lantern. I'm going to check out the call station up here. Oh, it's right here. Let's ring the bell. Oh, it's got an electric eye. I didn't know that. This one has an arrow on it. This one has an arrow brow on it. Alright, we're going to go back down to end there. Door close button works. I love that. Can't believe I found another Monty Vector after the one at Rolling Oaks Mall in San Antonio. There's people out there, so I'm going to point the camera away from the doors when we stop. And then there goes that machine. Wow, that machine was loud. Alright, there it goes, and that's it.